Americans grill chicken flat and dry, not on my balcony. An Italian Sunday classic, chicken and peppers. But this roll has a hidden secret. And that sauce, game changer. Let's cook. Fire the Traeger. Indirect cooking, hickory pellets for a stronger, more pronounced smoke. Add the peppers, a drizzle of olive oil, a mix of Mediterranean spices, and a whole lemon cut in half, right next to it. 30 minutes. The smoke will penetrate deep into the skin. It's this smoke that will give the sauce its flavor. Take your time. Smoke is in. Now we finish them. Direct heat or, like me, 10 minutes in the air fryer, then straight into a sealed container. The trapped steam loosens the skin for us. No peeling struggle. My balcony, my regal. New balcony BBQ every single week. Subscribe. This is the cook you'll come back to. 2 chicken breasts. Open them like a book. Even thickness. That's what closes the roll clean later. And the trim? Don't waste it. In 60 seconds it becomes the stuffing. The thing that makes this more than chicken and peppers. Peppers. The yellow ones become the sauce. Into the blender, peppers, a little bread, mollica, the water they released, the juice of that grilled lemon, and the rub. Blend. Then strain it for a silky, glossy finish. Now the part that changes everything. The red peppers become the stuffing. Chicken trim, red pepper, 1 egg yolk, blend, strain, 2 loose, a spoon of breadcrumb. Pollo e pepperoni hidden inside the meat. Lay the plastic wrap down. It does the rolling for us. Open the chicken flat, shape it even, edge to edge. The cold stuffing goes along the center. Not too much, or it won't close. Now lift the wrap and roll it tight. Twist the ends like a candy wrapper. Tighter than you think. Then into the fridge, at least 30 minutes. The chill sets the shape so the roll holds when the bacon goes on. Roll firm, now the bacon. Fresh wrap and a bed of strips. Overlap every single one, no gaps. That's your crust later. Place the roll on the edge and wrap it the same way. The film pulling the bacon snug around the meat. Back into the fridge one more time. Patience now is bark later. The smoker is already hot from the peppers, but we set the temperature to 130 degrees Celsius for slow cooking, always using hickory wood. We're aiming for perfectly cooked chicken and crispy, glossy, and transparent bacon. Don't open the lid to check. Let the smoke do the work. Check the center and take it out as soon as it reaches temperature. Sizzling with sprezzatura. Moment of truth, the cut. Look at that. Juicy chicken wrapped in crisp bacon, and the stuffing, a second layer of pepper hidden right inside the meat. Spoon the yellow sauce across the plate, lay the slices on top, let them lean. One bite. The smoke, the bacon, the soft pepper filling, and that bright sauce cutting through it all. Sauce and filling, perfect contrast. This is Sunday restaurant chicken, made on a balcony.